Grandma or grandma? Don't know. Okay, then edit the grandma thing.
Hi, I'm Arisa. I'm 7 years old.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm 8 years old. Hi, my name is Yango and I'm 7 years old. Hi, my name is Chan Fei. I am 8 years old.
Hi, my name is Joel. I am 7 years old.
I felt very excited for my first day.
Nervous, scared, feeling confident, feeling quite shy.
I felt like, what's going to happen? Is it going to be hard? Easy?
Primary 1 was a lot different from kindergarten. Because kindergarten, I have a lot of friends already, but primary 1 is like all the friends are stranger to me. Because kindergarten you can play, in primary 1 you can't play at all.
In primary 1, it becomes a little bit harder. I wake up at 5:20.
I get up at 7 or maybe sometimes 6 or 5. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
It feels tired, but I'll get used to it because I do it like every day.
It is, but once I take a bath, I feel very fresh. At night, I pack my bag so on the next morning I don't have to remember or worry about it.
I normally put things beside, like in an easy way to find, so that I just need to take it and just put it in a neatly way.
After dinner, I pack the things that I need. I just see the timetable and then I pack my bag according to it. I need to bring my pencil case, planner,
all my books,
with stationery.
It was not that difficult though. It's just that only the teachers were strict.
We do Chinese homework. It's very hard.
Trying to pay attention. When I did my first math assignment, I did all rubbish.
I like to do homework from school.
English, the first worksheet I got was in school. It was basically grammar and simple English. Numbers to 100,
Fractions, divide, times, minus.
From English, they usually ask us like the comprehension open-ended. Comprehension open-ended is like they'll give you a passage, then you have to answer questions. I also like learning lab because it teaches me more than I like to teach my classmates. Then they become smarter.
When I started learning lab in primary 1, about 5 months later, we learned about times and divide already. In learning lab, we learn grammar and compositions. When next time we learn stuff that we already learned in learning lab, it will be much easier.
I like recess. I like to play with my friends.
I eat chicken rice or making noodles. Sometimes I don't even eat. After that, I go play with my friends. I meet up with my friends in the canteen and we eat together. After that, we go to the playground. It's important to play because if not, you'll get too stressed and then you'll get tired and then you can be sick sometimes. I make friends by inviting them to my birthday parties. Maybe just go up to someone and ask, do you want to hang out, play?
Like sometimes I ask them, what's your name? Then they say,
hey, want to be my friend? Why not?
First, you have to be punctual for your classes. Then you have to hand in your homework punctually and focus when your tutor is teaching you.
Practice is important because it helps you remember. Just stay as yourself. It's important to be prepared because suddenly your teacher gives you an answer you don't know and then you can't answer it.
Learn slowly, never give up, be humble, don't be lazy.
Be confident that you can do it, and always ask if you're not sure how to do the question.